Attention remains on the ICE processing facility in Broadview. A federal judge will likely decide later this week whether temporary fencing erected by ICE can stay up or needs to go. The north side of the ICE processing facility in Broadview remains blocked by tall fences. Today, attorneys for the federal government argued in court the fencing across Beach Street was needed to conduct business and to protect vehicles and personnel after conflicts erupted during protests of ICE operations during Operation Midway Blitz. The village of Broadview is suing the Department of Homeland Security and officials at DHS and ICE for erecting the fence without village approval and blocking emergency response.
There are federal employees who could require emergency services. There are detainees that could require emergency services. And there are citizens who are not involved in the protest on the other side of that fence.
Attorneys for the village of Broadview argue today for a temporary restraining order, or TRO, to bring down the fence so that emergency vehicles can have full access to the area if needed.
Because they're industrial buildings, the risk of fire is greater, and the amount of fire apparatus that would be necessary is also greater.
They do not have the unlimited right to just put up fences wherever they want. And that is what this suit is about, the village's ability to protect its people.
Meanwhile, businesses along Beach have adapted to the extra traffic. There are signs and barriers to keep their parking areas available for their customers. One worker in the area tells us they've adjusted their schedule so delivery drivers don't get stuck in this very localized traffic.
We noticed on Fridays there's a lot of large gatherings, so on Fridays we're actually kind of shutting down. So that's really affecting our business on Friday.
Business owners and workers we spoke with on this side of Beach tell us they are closed on the weekends when most protesters gather, so they miss a lot of the activity. The judge is expected to rule before Thursday on the TRO regarding the fencing. We did ask the attorneys representing the federal government for interviews, but they declined.